Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdo being Jompi.
The concerns that the Honorable High Court has expressed are concerns, I think, for every citizen and even for the government. So definitely we will examine the entire aspect and look into the entire thing, and steps will be taken to ensure that whatever it takes to ensure the safety of the dam. We have ordered an inquiry into this, but I think the other part of the story which one has to realize is that that nothing is perfect. I've said this again and again. These games are happening after many years, and the MSOA has tried its best. Yes, there were shortcomings, there's no doubt about it, but I think it's more important to learn from the mistakes that were made, ensure that the people who are responsible for it, necessary steps are taken. But I think in the larger picture, it's more important to move forward, move on, and request that let not this one incident overshadow the entire importance of the games. We have to realize that 2,600 participants have participated. We have to realize that it's happening for the fourth time in 50 years. I think these are the important parts, and I think press should realize all of those aspects also and focus on the positive story also. And yes, we learn from the negative, we improve things and ensure that in the future doesn't happen.
Shwa ka khat rhetoric mi kumbangina aipor shwa nila pha question kini ka pelong games ki committee joka organizing committee na ka food accommodation committee ka publicity committee ka ceremony committee bun ki committee gina no prakhna ni ki dur ki submit the report shagani organizing committee da hading la yo already kata nin sara pa chaka soka nin sara shga misui pakuntat